Hi everyone, we're gonna do a smiley face fold. I just had a fight with my quadruplets. I have 3 brothers. They're quadruplets with me. So, first we're gonna fold it like this. Like this. Fold it like this, a letter. Like you're writing a letter. Okay, then you take this and you fold it like that. It'll look like that. And flip it over and do it again. Okay, then unfold it and flip it back over. Okay, now you're gonna draw a circle for the smiley face. Okay, then you draw used. Like that. And then you draw upside down used connected to it. Like that. And you draw little circles inside. Like that. Then you can color it in. And you can also add eyelashes to it, to the eyes. You can do whatever you want with the face. Just don't go inside of here. Okay, so you color them in. I gotta go quick. It's kind of a little hard with this pen. Color it in. Okay, then add eyelashes if you want them. That's what it'll look like. Okay, then you draw the smile. Like that. You can also draw a little tongue sticking out. You can do whatever. Like that. Now, oh, and also don't color in the little circles. Okay, now open it and put a little circle like that right there. And then put another little circle like that right there. Then you go up and draw a heart. Okay, now you can go wow and like that. And you can use the dots too if you need them. And you can draw hearts everywhere. Draw hearts. And can do whatever your heart desires. Any types of hearts. for Valentine's Day. Okay, now we have all these hearts. And now you're gonna draw a little line down right here. Okay, like that. And also, when you do that, you do this. See that heart right there? See that heart right there? You don't go through the heart. Go like that, you know? You just keep doing that. And then once when you're done, you can color it in. Well, color this in. And also, do not cross this line right here, okay? Or else a heart would appear or something would appear right there, okay? Once when you learn how to do it, it's pretty easy and you can make some without me teaching you. It's super fun. I've made so many. There. Now we just color it. Color all the hearts in it. And you can also pause the video if you want to copy my coloring. Okay, so let's get coloring. Remember, it's for Valentine's Day, so you can color like pink hearts, red hearts, whatever you want. Okay, friends, here it is. Ah, isn't it so adorable? It's so cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Whoa, this is so adorable. Ready? I hope yours looks cute too. Happy Valentine's Day.